Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video of SDD with your mentor Vivek. Well, before we dive in, let's have a quick heads up about this section. The next few lessons are an optional refresher on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and React. It's a web stack WorkshopHub runs on. If any of those feel rusty, stick around. We'll rebuild your basics fast. But if you already know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can skip this section entirely. No judgment. We are not going deep. This is a quick review, not a full boot camp. Because the real focus of this course is somewhere else, as you know, SDD. That said, even if you skip, the recap is still handy context. We'll move fast, hit the essentials, then get straight back to building WorkshopHub. So in the next video, let's start with HTML foundations. So see you in the next video. Peace out.